So when I locked my screen on iPhone, I seen this screenshot. So not screenshot, this screen like collections, and then it just says customize in the bottom. And then basically I can just add additional screens. So I'm actually not sure what this feature is. Like if you have any idea what that is about, would be quite nice. So collections. So I don't know, maybe you can have like different setups of your screens, wallpapers. So I don't know, like here that's not this accessibility maybe. So this is some kind of pretty cool feature. So maybe you have this different yep, from your lock screen, touch and hold to add, edit, or switch between different wallpapers and widgets. So probably that's just what it is. So when you just touch and hold on your lock screen, you can swipe between different collections. So you can just add different collection of your wallpaper, different widgets, and then basically from here you add another one and you just switch between them. So that's basically the idea here, as I understand. Pretty cool because you sometimes you have all of this set up using apps like theme kits, theme pack, whatever, all the different icons, all the different widgets and wallpapers, and you don't want to manually change them all the time. So you can just swipe basically. So yeah, you can try this feature.